Alright guys, so as you know how Barbie has her little convertibles of her Corvette, this is a little Fiat that fits a couple Barbies in here. So you can't really fit anything to like two Barbies in the back. I don't even think like the Chelsea dolls might fit. I forgot, to be honest, when my daughter's playing with it, but obviously the Chelseas are a little bit smaller, and then with the Barbies you definitely need a lot of leg room. So that's the only thing. So you can fit two of them, like I mentioned, in here, and then you can see how far it actually does go in. And then it has a little seat belts right here, and then you just slide them in, and then same thing on this side as well. And then you can see the little Fiat logo sign, and then there is like this little mirror right there, which is super cute. And then yeah, just to show you guys again what the back part actually looks like, you can see how small it is. So there isn't really any leg room right here just because of the seats. But yeah, a lot of fun, super cute. And then this is what the back looks like. Still a little convertible.